You want to cut back a little?
We might want to
or
cut a
forward?
T. If you want to hurry and cut a little T, we'll cut a little T real quick.
All right.
Thank you. Oh yeah.
This is the original install though. It was an original copper gooseneck. They threaded this pipe. That's a piece of thread. Oh, it's just gooseneck. I think your other option is going to be unthread that. So we'll put a plate on it.
Yep. Okay.
Head over to the other side.
Just that piece. Okay.
There you go. Should pull tight. Or we can suck a hole right there. Pull, pull, pull.